Hello, let us solve this one. A girl writes 3 consecutive it means one after another, like 12, 13, 14. These are consecutives, one after another. So she writes 3 consecutive natural numbers in increasing order. She replaces the digits using symbols and gets this. What would be the next bigger number in this notation? Very simple question. So here you can see it starts with square, diamond and diamond again. So that means you need to think about a number which has last 2 digits same. Now the next number is heart and triangle and triangle. Now you need to think a number in which last 2 digits are same and a number after that also has last 2 digits same. For an example, if you think 122, then number after that is 123 and this is not correct match. Why? Because we want these two same and these are not same. So you need to think something in which you get same. Apart from that, the first digit must be different. You can see these are same, first digits are same, but actually first is square and first is heart. So you need to think a number which has last 2 digits same. Then in the next number last 2 digits are again same. Apart from that, first digit changes. So you need to consider many conditions. Okay, so let's try to think very creatively. Let's think about 299. So 299, number after that is 300. So here you can see these two are same, these two are same, these and these are different. So these is fulfilling the condition, we can say. Is it? Now let's try to think about last number. So last number is heart, triangle and square. Now heart is 3, so it must be 3 here. Triangle is 0 and square is 2. So this is not matching. It has to be 301, isn't it? So that means this arrangement is also wrong. Now let's think something else. So let's make it 199. 199, after that is 200. So these two are same, these two are same, these and this different. Now if this arrangement is correct, we will get 201 here. Let's see we get 201 or not. Heart is 2, triangle is 0 and square is 1. Yes, we got 201. That means this arrangement is correct. Now the question is, what will be the next number? 202. And what will be the symbol for this number? So 2 it means heart, 0 it means triangle, and again 2 it means heart. And that exactly matches with choice E. I hope you find it useful.